Remodeling your home in Rochester Hills is an exciting opportunity to improve comfort, functionality, and value. However, even well-intentioned projects can run into problems if certain mistakes are overlooked. Understanding common remodeling pitfalls can help homeowners make smarter decisions and ensure a smoother, more successful experience from start to finish. One of the most common mistakes is failing to plan thoroughly before starting the project. Jumping into remodeling without a clear vision, budget, or timeline can lead to delays and unexpected costs. In Rochester Hills, where seasonal weather can impact construction schedules, proper planning is especially important. Taking time to outline your goals, prioritize upgrades, and work with a professional ensures your project stays on track. Another frequent issue is underestimating the budget. Many homeowners focus only on the visible costs, such as materials and labor, but forget to account for unexpected expenses. Structural repairs, permit fees, or upgrades to outdated systems can quickly add up. Setting a realistic budget with a contingency fund helps prevent financial stress and allows your project to move forward without interruptions. Choosing the wrong materials is another mistake that can affect both appearance and durability. Not all materials perform equally well in Rochester Hills climate, which includes cold winters and warm summers. For example, selecting materials that are not moisture resistant or temperature stable can lead to warping, cracking, or premature wear. Working with experienced professionals helps ensure you choose materials that are both attractive and suited to local conditions. Poor layout decisions can also limit the functionality of your remodeled space. It's easy to focus on aesthetics and overlook how the space will be used daily. In kitchens, for example, inefficient layouts can make cooking and storage more difficult. In bathrooms, improper spacing can reduce comfort and accessibility. Thoughtful design planning ensures that your remodeled space is not only beautiful but also practical. Another common mistake is attempting to handle complex projects without professional help. While DIY work can be tempting, certain aspects of remodeling, such as electrical, plumbing, and structural changes, require expertise. Mistakes in these areas can lead to safety hazards, code violations, and costly repairs. Hiring qualified professionals ensures that the work is done correctly and meets local building standards. Ignoring permits and regulations is another issue that can cause serious problems. In Rochester Hills, many remodeling projects require permits to ensure safety and compliance. Skipping this step can result in fines, delays, or complications when selling your home. A professional contractor can guide you through the permitting process and ensure everything is handled properly. Another mistake is focusing too much on trends rather than long-term value. While it's tempting to follow the latest design styles, some trends can quickly become outdated. Choosing timeless designs and high-quality materials helps ensure that your remodel remains appealing for years to come. This approach also adds lasting value to your home. Poor lighting planning is often overlooked but can significantly impact the final result. Relying on a single light source or failing to consider natural light can leave spaces feeling dim or uninviting. Incorporating a mix of lighting options, such as ambient, task, and accent lighting, creates a more functional and comfortable environment. Overlooking storage needs is another common issue. A remodel is the perfect opportunity to improve organization, but failing to plan for adequate storage can lead to cluttered spaces. Custom cabinetry, built-in shelving, and smart storage solutions help maximize space and improve daily convenience. Rushing the project is another mistake that can lead to unsatisfactory results. Quality remodeling takes time, and cutting corners to finish jolly can compromise workmanship. Allowing enough time for proper installation and finishing ensures that the final outcome meets your expectations. Finally, neglecting communication with your contractor can create misunderstandings and delays. Clear, consistent communication helps ensure that everyone is aligned on goals, timelines, and expectations. This collaboration is key to achieving a successful remodel. In the end, avoiding common remodeling mistakes in Rochester Hills homes comes down to careful planning, smart decision-making, and working with experienced professionals. By taking the time to do things right, homeowners can create spaces that are not only beautiful but also functional, durable, and valuable for years to come.